Hello, so we are back with a new video. Today we will test this pulse oximeter. Bought this for a discounted price of 250 rupees. Let's quickly open the pack. Here is our oximeter. We have one strap and a user guide. This is our oximeter. No batteries provided. You need to buy the battery separately. In this center we have the sensor. It works on 3 volt and 2 AAA batteries are needed. Let's quickly test the device. Battery polarities are marked on the device. Follow them to insert the batteries. To get the readings, just place the finger on the sensor and then press the round button. It will take few seconds to settle the readings. You can press the round button again to rotate the orientation of the display. After you remove your finger, it will automatically turn off. Now let's test again by doing some Kapalbhati and see what type of reading we get. We will wait few seconds for the reading to become stable. Now we start Kapalbhati. So you can see after doing Kapalbhati, oxygen level increased. Keep doing Kapalbhati every day and keep your oxygen level high.